Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're in the server, good. First, confirm permissions. Either you're editing your own nickname or you hold change nicknames/manage nicknames for others. Once done, tap the server name at the top of the channel list to open the server menu. Make sure you can see members or manage options. If you don't, you're limited to changing only your profile nickname. Do this now so you don't waste time searching through unrelated settings. Next, open the members list by tapping the people icon or swiping from the channel list. Find the user whose nickname you'll change. If it's you, tap your name. Once selected, tap the three-dot menu on the profile card and choose Edit Nickname. Enter the new nickname exactly as you want it to appear. Discord enforces role colors and nickname length, so adjust accordingly. After typing, tap Save or the checkmark to apply the change, and watch the name update in the member list and channels. Finally, verify the nickname change by viewing the member list and recent messages. Names update immediately. If the change fails, most often you lack permission. Contact an admin to grant change nickname or manage nicknames. If you do have permission but it still won't save, force close Discord and reopen, or log out and back in to clear a sync issue. One key tip: role hierarchy can block edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.